Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to cast YouTube from your smartphone into your smart TV or a streaming device. So in here, I've already on my phone and I'm going to start by open the YouTube in here, YouTube apps on my phone, and I'm going to start watching a video. For example, this one's right here. Okay, so after the video is open, if you want to cast it to your smart TV, you can just click on the video here and you'll see this cast icon at the top. But first you need to make sure that your smart TV is on. So click on the cast icon and in here just select the device. For example, this one, you can just tap on that, and or you can also link with a TV code, but you need to find out the TV code first by opening the TV settings. So after that, after you click on the device, your YouTube will be cast to your TV. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.